Is exhaust system repair covered by insurance? When it comes to car repairs, many drivers wonder if their insurance will help cover the costs, especially for something like the exhaust system. Understanding how auto insurance works can save you time and money. Let's break it down. First, the type of insurance policy you have plays a big role. Standard auto insurance policies usually do not cover routine wear and tear or mechanical breakdowns. This means that if your exhaust system needs repairs due to normal use, you may be on your own. However, if your exhaust system is damaged in a car accident, collision coverage can help. This coverage pays for repairs when the damage is a direct result of a collision with another vehicle or object. So, if you hit a pothole or another car, your collision coverage could cover the exhaust system repairs. Next, let's talk about comprehensive coverage. This type of insurance covers damage from events other than collisions, like fire, theft, or vandalism. If your exhaust system is damaged in one of these situations, comprehensive coverage may help with the repair costs, but keep in mind that you will still have to pay your deductible. Some drivers opt for mechanical breakdown insurance or car repair insurance. This is an add-on that covers sudden mechanical failures not caused by accidents. Depending on the policy, it might include parts like the exhaust system if the failure is unexpected and not due to wear and tear. For new vehicles, you might have a manufacturer's warranty. This warranty can cover exhaust system repairs if the damage is due to defects within the warranty period. Extended warranties purchased separately can also provide coverage, but it all depends on the terms of the warranty. If you have modified your exhaust system, things can get a bit tricky. Insurance companies may require special endorsements or custom policies to cover modified parts. This means you might need to pay higher premiums or meet specific requirements to ensure your modifications are covered. Lastly, remember that standard auto insurance does not cover routine maintenance or repairs due to wear and tear. Issues like rust or corrosion are typically not covered. In summary, exhaust system repair is covered by insurance only if the damage results from a covered event under collision or comprehensive coverage. Additionally, specific mechanical breakdown insurance or warranty coverage may include the exhaust system. Routine repairs from normal use are generally not covered by typical auto insurance policies. Always check your policy details to understand what is and isn't covered.